So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's drawing is a special drawing for Shivratri. So let's start the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. And it's the watercolor painting. I use poster color for the painting. You can also use any type of poster colors for this painting. Today's video is going to be fun because I use the cheapest watercolors for this painting. So let's see. Firstly, I am doing a sketch of Lord Shiva, then I'll apply the colors. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.